In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to activate Fairmoney ATM card. So I'm going to just walk you through the visual on how you can actually do that. So let's say, for example, you have actually get the ATM card delivered to you. So the next thing you're going to do is to log in your Fairmoney account, then click on cards under the list where you see transfer, add money, cards and bills. So just click on cards. Then this page is going to load just like this. Then you can look down below, you see already have a Fairmoney card activate here. So just click on that. Then activate your instant ATM card, fill out a few quick information and start using your card in no time. So you can see full PAN number, the number that is on the ATM card, I think it's 15 digits or something like that. Then the expiry date will be provided right here. Then agent ID, so probably the person that actually delivered the ATM card or debit card to you. So it can be the ID can be on that particular ATM or maybe inside the package. So you input the agent ID right there, then you can click on activate my card. Then a passcode will be will be requested, so you can be using that passcode or password to withdraw from your ATM card. So that is how you can activate Fairmoney debit card or ATM card.